My name's Joe Clutton and I'm a Senior Operations Manager at Unipart. I actually started in 2016 through the graduate scheme that we run. I just completed my degree with the Open University with a course in Maths and Physics. I graduated that at 26 as a mature student. After that I applied for the graduate scheme and haven't looked back since. So I spent 2 years on the programme and it gave me a lot of opportunity to spend time around a lot of different areas of the business. As time progressed I took a particular liking to operations and subsequently chose to stay in ops-based roles. I really enjoyed my time on the scheme. I even got to spend some time in Florida, which was a fantastic experience and opportunity for me both personally and professionally. With all the different facets of the business that I've worked in, I'd definitely say that ops was my favourite. I graduated the scheme in 2018, becoming an operations manager and then an operational excellence manager before being promoted in October 2021 to my current role of a senior operations manager. Unipart's always supported me in my development, whether that's behavioural training to improve my leadership or presentation skills, or supporting me to complete my Black Belt in Six Sigma or Prince 2 practitioner accreditation whenever my roles have called for it. For me, Unipart's people-focused ethos is terrific. It makes such a difference both as an employee and as a manager. As an employee, I feel valued and also trusted to make the right decisions on a daily basis. As a manager, I know that I can rely on my teams to be honest and provide feedback upwards if they see an opportunity to improve how we operate, or if we could do better as an employer. Everyone has a voice here, everyone's opinion matter right across the board, and I think that's fantastic. If you're thinking about a career in logistics and being part of the Gate to Great at our brand new facility at Mercia Park, don't hesitate, you won't regret it.